Come on in.
Today, we are making the best tasting sugar-free buttercream icing that can be prepared in less than 5 minutes with just 4 ingredients.
Stay tuned for the details.
Well, hello everyone, and thank you for joining us. Welcome to Monica and Donna's Kitchen. I am Donna.
And I am Monica. Before we get started, we just need to let you all know that in our previous videos, we used cartoon avatars. Due to popular demand, our viewers prefer seeing us rather than our avatars. So from this day forward, we will no longer be using our cartoon avatars.
All right, let's dive into the tutorial. By the end, you'll be able to whip up some sugar-free buttercream icing in just a few minutes using 7 easy steps. So, for step 1, gather all of your needed items as follows: a half cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, 3/4 cup of erythritol in powder form, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, or use your preferred flavor extract such as lemon, pumpkin, hazelnut, etc., a hand mixer, 2 medium-sized bowls, and a mixing spoon or an optional sifting device. Step 2. Measure 70 grams of sweetener into 1 medium bowl.
And place half cup of unsalted butter in your other medium bowl.
Step 3. Utilize a hand mixer or a mixing spoon to blend the butter until it reaches a creamy consistency.
Step 4. Incorporate the sweetener into the butter by adding it in small amounts gradually, either using a sifter or by lightly sprinkling the powder over the top of your creamy butter. Continue to mix the two components together slowly.
Step 5. Introduce 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract into the butter and sweetener mixture.
Step 6. Whip all the ingredients together either with a hand mixer or a mixing spoon, by hand for approximately 2 minutes until a smooth consistency is achieved.
Step 7.
Once the icing has been thoroughly mixed to a creamy texture, it can be applied to a cake or your desired food item that is at room temperature, ideally lower than 77 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's recommended to refrigerate your icing and the item that received its dressing. Also, its expiration date should be dated up to 2 weeks from your preparation date.
It is advisable to store any remaining icing in an airtight container and refrigerate it along with any items to which the icing has been applied.
And that's it. Try this recipe and tell us what you think in the comments. Also, give us a like to tell the algorithm if you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you in the next one. Same place, same time.